Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating a project management system using Notion. Let's get started. First, open Notion and create a new workspace. This will serve as your central hub for your project. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space where you can store all your project-related information in one accessible location. Now that we've done that, let's create a new page within this workspace and label it Project Management. This page will act as your project dashboard, where you'll track tasks, timelines, and progress. It's like your cockpit, with all the controls and indicators in one spot. Next up, we're adding a table on the Project Management page. Click on the plus Add a Table button. You can rename this table to Tasks. This helps us because a table provides a clean, organized way to list all your tasks and track their status. Now it's time to customize your table. Add columns for task name, assigned to, due date, status, and notes. This is important as it allows you to see all relevant task details at a glance and keeps the team on the same page. Next, let's make your system interactive. To do this, change the status column type to select, then add options like to do, in progress, and completed. Here's why this matters. It lets you update task statuses quickly and visually track progress, keeping everything transparent and up to date. Finally, to keep your project dynamic, Notion allows you to link pages. So, create a new page for each task under task name. On these pages, you can add detailed descriptions, comments, and even related files. This feature turns your table into a living, breathing project management tool, where each task is much more than just a row in a table. And that's it. You now have a basic project management system set up in Notion. It's an intuitive, flexible tool that can adapt to your project needs. Remember, the key is keeping it updated and making it a part of your everyday project workflow. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.